Hi, today we are going to discuss about parents co-sleeping with their children and the benefits and risks associated with co-sleeping. So co-sleeping with our children, it does have some benefits in terms of the children feeling safe and secured, also in terms of having good quality sleep. But the question is till how long we should co-sleep with our children, and how do we go about the transition? See, in foreign countries, it is an easy and default practice of making their children sleep in a separate room, whereas in countries like India, we have this cultural differences where we don't look up to our children sleeping in a separate room. But then the researchers or the recent articles on these studies, they say it is better to make your child sleep in a separate room at least by the age of 8. So plus or minus 2 years is definitely okay. So at least by the age of 6 or at least by the age of 10, before the children they turn into tween, it's always safer and better to make your child sleep in a separate room. So how do we go about the transition is that as parents we should have some casual general talks with our children when we are playing, when we are singing, when we are cooking together, when we are just chilling out. Just have this casual talk saying, I think you're growing big, so don't you think you should sleep alone? So something like that, very casually. And it should not be like conditioning the child, you're already 8 years old, you're already 10 years old, you should go sleep in a separate room. So let's not condition in that way, but let's take it gradually. So this is point number one. And the point number two is like, you can arrange a separate bed for your child in your bedroom for the initial days. Let him sleep, let him or her sleep in your same room but in a separate bed. But take this practice for say 20 to 30 days, and then slowly you can move on to a separate room where you can arrange the room with their fantasy elements, say the nighttime radium stickers or their favorite toys, decorate their room, arrange their room with their favorite things, so that they'll be like more involved to go into the separate room and then lead their independent life. Also, the other benefit of making a child sleep in the separate room is that as partners you will have that physical intimacy that you have been missing all these while, just because your child was sleeping along with you. So there are a lot of benefits by making your child sleep in a separate room. It does improve their self-reliant and self-confident nature. So when your child is totally into this game, please try to reward and appreciate them for their best efforts that they are taking. So all the best wishes for the happy parenting. See you all in the next video. Bye.